governor like somebody like Buhari, after another 4 years, 8 years in presidency, we give Igbos power. Nobody else will do that. Only Buhari. Where do you the power here? Can Buhari? Oh, Buhari will give us power. We transfer the presidency to Iboma. Because he has conscience. He takes a decision. It doesn't bother who you are, where you are. Yeah, Mr. President, I'm very happy.
When I for these two dogs, they are more useful to me. They are more useful than the whole governance in Igbo. Especially this set of governance in Igbo. But all I'm saying, these 4 or 5 governors in Igbo, I prefer to have this type of dog in my lifetime than to have one of these governors as my leader in my lifetime. But it's so unfortunate that at the end of the day, we find ourselves in this mess. Look at although they can the another person name any value to Igbo. Another person name any value to Igbo. Yet over upper hand in the federal government. We're going to try that one thing at through the power or through the level in politics. We're going to try that one thing. Why one thing at in general? We're going to try that one thing at Napota. As no do that at the book I had to touch you with a man. Can't wait in Nandekano. At let's be realistic. Every 4 years, after the book after say no one can no woman say no I can high so no I can high no I can Igbo presidency every 4 years or every 8 years. Every 4 years, you have to renew his pattern of trapping in Igbo in the mess. Ewo matara Buhari or say no Buhari will find out no Buhari after no only Buhari has the what it takes in your Igbo man the presidency. End of the day, what is happening today? How long shall we be keeping deceiving ourselves? Only be gonna Ghana must go. Due to personal gain, personal interest. So only woman that is more than ready to betray his or her brother in exchange of money. But the only man who proved me wrong is Mazin Namdeka. Igbo man can do anything in order to make money, whether by closing his generation, he don't mind because of paper money. But to stand firm and say enough is enough is very difficult to an Igbo man to do. But when to exchange money, to give his brother out, to sell his brother out and collect money, Igbo man is eager to negotiate that kind of business. Until Mazen Nandekano came in the picture and they rewrite the history that not all Igbo man is brotherable.